This is a review of this really cute two-piece olive oil dispenser bottle kit. There's 2 pieces and they come in a variety of different colors. I picked the color pink. The brand did send this to me so that I can do a review. And I've already opened this up. How cute are these? And it's a set of 2. So everything you see here, there's 2 of. And so there's a little funnel. So then that way you can pour your olive oil in there without making too much of a mess. Here is the dispenser bottle top. And you just would put that in there after you have your olive oil in there. This is supposed to be leak proof and no drip. And so it's really neat because you can actually hear the click. When you go to pour or drizzle, you can just lift it up like that and close it. And again, this is such a cute set, and there's multi colors available. And so if you're looking for a set of colored oil dispensing bottles, these are so cute.